May 26th. It's a Friday. We're at Portside. 2017.
88 Shades RV pal.
I didn't get that far yet. I was just going to say simple. We're back to the toilet, putting the new, so we can flush it, pedal on. I know it's hot out here.
Get the shade. Okay, so here's what happened roll when the pedals broke off. Here's a new one. It's a Magic 4 Thetford. Aqua Magic 4 installation guide. I read it before. One pedal just lets water in, and the other pedal, when you push it, it's attached to it, so it pushes both pedals down. So water's coming in while it's flushing. Goes on in here. See them? That's it. This one, that has a set screw in it. That one came with a ball. This is the original one. This one broke for us back in September of 2016 in Kirtland, the Greens,
Yep.
RV Cabin, Kirtland, New Mexico.
Yep.
Alright, so now we put these back in. They give you brand new ones of these, so I'm using them. I don't see what could have caused that to snap. All that pressure took to snap that damn thing. Let's see if we can see anything. Please, that to me. Same way. See it? Same everything. She just hung up and cracked. Alright, here we go. You see the snap? Whoa! You see the snap in it.
Yeah.
These just come apart like that. So when you push this one, there's water. You push that one, it pushes both at the same time. Boom! That's our parts.
Crack.
What?
I'm showing the crack. A close-up of it.
That's really interesting. They gave us 2 new of these. I don't think I'm using these new ones. No reason for it. These metal pieces, there's no reason. All our screws are good. Just put this away. But these new ones, you can see the difference in the shades. Which way do they go back? And these guys. They go that way, they don't go this way. I don't think. Maybe they do. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, they do. Right on that way. First thing you do is you put these guys in.
These are the shoes I'm wearing now that's made it easy for me to flush the toilet.
What?
I'm showing my shoes I used to flush the toilet with.
When this was snapped.
Yeah, when this was snapped. We're able to get in there without me hurting my skin.
I'm using my fingers some on that one.
Yeah, no.
That's right. It goes this way. That's the old one. That's the new one. That's the new one. want to see from the top here what's going on? Come around under my left elbow, arm. And there's one on the other side. This side. I got some things. Sloppy like that. Oh, but that's what it is. Sloppy. If I do it the other way, would it be tighter? Too tight. I'll never make it. Never make it. Yeah, there's not that much room for flipping these around. What I'm saying is this is off-centered. Okay? If I flip them around to get rid of the sloppiness, there would not be enough room between to put both of them turned.
Right.
I didn't realize they were offset like that till after I took them the hell out and I looked. Okay, now the cables. It says to do the toilet, the big one first. So that comes through there. The little one. That goes through there for the big one. Big one's in. It's going to spring him back. Look, the toilet's open, but it ain't springing back. Why is that? Because this guy ain't pushing around now. This guy's not. That's it. That's the answer. Okay, I got it. Where the hell did this come from? Yeah, probably. Right there. So when you turn it upside down, that pops off. Okay, I got to turn it back upside down. I'm not done with this side. Okay, these are tight, right? Let's make sure. Now the last one is this guy. You see going through the hole there?
Yep.
Yep. No.
Okay.
That's it. So now we put the spring back on. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's fresh water. That's fresh water. We put the spring back on. When and how on that spring over there. Like this. I took it off that way. Goes in there. She goes in there. And this gets turned around like that. That's it. So now, these pedals should work. One by itself for water. Take a look up on top here. The camera, that's to brings the water in, but the toilet thing's closed. Now, this second one brings the water thing and opens the toilet. Goes for the toilet.
I could see both in one.
Okay. It works. We're ready for you some. Oh, I gotta put these guys in place. Almost forgot. Cable holders. I was wondering why it was so hard putting turning it in. Well, they don't have the tread cut yet. This is brand new. That hole right there don't have a tread in it yet. He cuts his own tread. Okay, toilet's ready to go back in place.
Yeah.
Oh, I can put the cover back on. Hold on, since it's there. Wait a second. This component, it's called a component cover. Goes on here. Cover all this junk. You slide it on, you turn the toilet back over on the other side. You get them back in place. There's 3 screws. This being the rustiest screw, don't know why. Why are you getting in this somewhere? These things go pretty easy, right? We'll see. Let me put this stuff on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it down. Oh, my finger, my finger, my finger, my finger. Come on, my finger. Oh,
Oh, I felt that.
that's the component cover. It's warped. Look at it.
Toilet.
Goes like that. Sticks out.
Yeah.
The hole's lined right up. It's just that it's warped. Huh. Mini Winnie's a 2002, so that's the age of this toilet. It's a Thetford Magic 4.
Tech Flow Magic 4.
Right here. Aqua Magic 4.
Oh, I see it.
Thetford Aqua Magic 4. 33198 means it's white, and 20821 means it was ivory, or parchment as they call it. Next one. See it in the back. Oh shit, I gotta take that off to put this on. Anyway, no. And there it is, and doesn't flush right. Yeah. Single one, double one. Try it. So you can do it with your foot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Be able to do it with your foot?
I think so. Yeah.
All right, so that's it for that. I'm gonna take a break for a cigarette, then we're gonna put it back in, huh?
Okay. Over and out.
I don't know what my